freedom, believing in, take a piece of heaven and you will win.